Ease constipation naturally. Effective remedies that can help you. Welcome to our guide on easing constipation naturally. Today we'll explore simple and effective methods to get your digestive system back on track. Firstly, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water daily helps soften stool, making it easier to pass. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to stay well hydrated. Next, fiber plays a crucial role in bowel health. Incorporate high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet to help bulk up your stool. Prunes are well known for their natural laxative effect. Consuming a few prunes with breakfast or after a meal, or drinking prune juice, can be a gentle way to stimulate your bowels. Regular exercise can also stimulate digestion. Simple activities like walking or yoga can encourage movement in your intestines, helping to relieve constipation. If you sit a lot at work, try to take breaks from sitting every hour. Take a walk during your lunch break or before and after work. Use a height-adjustable standing desk where possible. Standing at your desk instead of sitting can prevent your digestive system from becoming congested. I will leave a link in the description for you to check these out. Another effective method is the use of probiotics. These beneficial bacteria, found in yogurt and fermented foods, help balance gut flora and promote regular bowel movements. Ground flax seeds are another excellent remedy. Rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, they help soften stool and can be easily added to your diet. Lastly, herbal teas such as peppermint and ginger can soothe the digestive system and may help alleviate constipation. Enjoy a cup or two throughout the day for the best effects. By incorporating these natural methods into your lifestyle, you can ease constipation and promote a healthier, more comfortable digestive system. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health. Please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel. It's free for you and helps support us to make more educational videos about health and well-being.